OpenAI's new robot represents a significant leap forward in AI-powered automation. Equipped with state-of-the-art machine learning algorithms and sensory perception, the robot demonstrates unparalleled adaptability and problem-solving abilities. Its potential applications are vast, ranging from manufacturing and logistics to healthcare and customer service. By automating complex tasks previously performed by humans, the robot promises increased efficiency, cost savings, and improved productivity. The manufacturing and logistics sectors are ripe for disruption by OpenAI's robot. With its precision, speed, and tireless work ethic, the robot can streamline production processes, reducing human error and enhancing productivity. By leveraging its advanced machine vision, it can handle intricate assembly tasks with high accuracy, ensuring consistent quality control. Furthermore, in the logistics domain, the robot's ability to navigate complex environments and efficiently handle inventory management can revolutionize supply chain operations. In healthcare, the OpenAI robot has the potential to reshape the delivery of medical services. With its ability to analyze vast amounts of patient data and learn from medical literature, the robot can assist doctors in diagnosis and treatment decisions. By augmenting human expertise, it can help healthcare professionals provide more personalized and efficient care. Moreover, in settings such as surgeries, the robot's precision and steadiness can enhance surgical outcomes, reducing complications and improving patient safety. Customer service is another area where OpenAI's robot can make a significant impact. The robot's natural language processing capabilities enable it to understand and respond to customer inquiries with remarkable accuracy and speed. By leveraging its vast knowledge base and learning from customer interactions, it can offer personalized recommendations, resolve issues, and provide a seamless customer experience. This has the potential to revolutionize the way businesses interact with their customers, improving satisfaction levels and driving customer loyalty. While the potential benefits of OpenAI's robot are considerable, it also raises ethical considerations and concerns. As automation replaces human labor in various industries, there is a risk of job displacement. It is imperative for policymakers and organizations to anticipate and address these challenges, ensuring a smooth transition for affected workers through upskilling programs and job creation initiatives. Additionally, ethical considerations such as data privacy, transparency, and accountability must be carefully managed to maintain public trust in AI technologies. The human-machine collaboration paradigm. Rather than viewing OpenAI's robot as a threat to human employment, a more optimistic perspective involves envisioning a future of human-machine collaboration. As AI takes over routine and mundane tasks, it frees up human workers to focus on higher-level, creative, and strategic endeavors. This symbiotic relationship between human and robots can lead to a reimagining of work, where human creativity and empathy are leveraged alongside AI's analytical and computational power, ultimately leading to enhanced productivity and innovation. Benefits of OpenAI robot. OpenAI's robot offers scalability and adaptability across industries. Its ability to learn and adapt quickly to different tasks and environments makes it a versatile solution for businesses operating in diverse sectors. This adaptability can result in increased operational flexibility and agility for organizations. OpenAI's robot can generate valuable data insights through its interactions and analysis of vast amounts of information. These insights can help businesses make informed decisions, identify market trends, and optimize processes. Incorporating data-driven decision-making into business strategies can lead to improved outcomes and competitive advantages. As AI technologies advance, it is crucial to prioritize ethical and responsible implementation. OpenAI's robot should be designed and deployed with a strong emphasis on fairness, transparency, and accountability. Ensuring that AI systems are unbiased, secure, and respect user privacy is essential to maintain public trust and mitigate potential risks. OpenAI's robot can serve as a catalyst for collaboration and innovation. By partnering with organizations and experts in various fields, the robot can contribute to groundbreaking research and development. This collaboration can foster a vibrant ecosystem of technological advancements and create opportunities for cross-industry collaboration and knowledge sharing. The introduction of AI-powered robots raises important societal implications. It highlights the need for education and training programs that equip individuals with the skills necessary to thrive in a technologically advanced workforce. Additionally, public discourse and policy discussions around AI ethics, regulation, and responsible AI deployment should be encouraged to ensure a balanced and inclusive future. OpenAI's robot has the potential to generate significant economic impact. Its automation capabilities can drive cost savings for businesses, leading to increased competitiveness and profitability. Additionally, the deployment of AI-powered robots may create new job opportunities in areas such as robot maintenance, programming, and AI system development. OpenAI's new robot has the potential to revolutionize the future in numerous ways. With its advanced capabilities in machine learning, perception, and problem-solving, the robot can disrupt industries and drive significant transformations. Its precision and adaptability make it an ideal candidate for automating complex and repetitive tasks, enhancing efficiency and productivity. The robot's ability to learn from data and improve over time enables it to tackle increasingly sophisticated challenges. From manufacturing and logistics to healthcare and customer service, the OpenAI robot can optimize processes, improve quality, and drive innovation. Furthermore, its potential to collaborate with humans in a seamless and intuitive manner opens up new possibilities for human-robot interaction and cooperation. As the robot continues to evolve and be integrated into various domains, it holds the potential to shape the future by redefining work processes, accelerating technological advancements, and improving our overall quality of life. OpenAI's new robot represents a groundbreaking development in the field of AI and automation. Its advanced capabilities have the potential to disrupt various industries, leading to increased efficiency, improved services, and transformative changes in the way we work. However, as with any technological advancement, ethical considerations and job displacement concerns must be addressed. So, this is it for today's video. Let us know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Till then, take care of yourself and see you in our next video.